Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole world is one family. I welcome you all to my Divine Energy Tarot channel. Today we will see for Cancer sign. We will also see charms and love messages. These are the charms and these are the love messages, and we'll shuffle it on. I'll just keep it this aside. We'll shuffle it on camera so that you can see, okay, what is coming up for you, my Cancer people. Cancerians, I would request you to do some energy exchange by liking, sharing, subscribing my video. Okay, you might be dealing with a Gemini sign. Cancer's people, you have a one big wish. You want your wish to get fulfilled. I'll just shuffle it properly, okay, on camera so that you can see. Cancer people, how will be your February month? What is your energy? What is going to come? What is going on? Cancerian. If you have any if you have any kind of insecurity or fear, come out of that. Okay, come out of that. Dealing with a Gemini sign, your wish will be fulfilled. Okay, there is a hope. Whatever your wish is. Walked away from some situation. Okay. Let's see. Cancer people. Okay. We'll take all these cards. See, in past you have moved to some new place. I feel like that in past you have moved to some new place, to different location, and currently also, for some of you, currently also you want to move somewhere, but you are not able to go somewhere, but you are not able to shift somewhere, but you are not able to. And for some of you, you have already moved to some other place or traveled to some other place in past, and you have also walked away in recent past from some situation in emotional matter. Somebody loves you dearly, somebody really loves you equally, mutually, and you also love someone equally, mutually. But somebody is in denial mode. I don't see any money trouble in your life, in your situation. You are probably a single person watching this, and you have a lot of money. You are independent, and some of you married people are also watching this, and you have a lot of money. I feel like that, and most of you married and unmarried ladies are watching this video. Married and unmarried females are watching this video. Both are independent, and both are, in the terms of they don't have any money trouble currently, who's watching this. And you love somebody and someone loves you equally. I feel like that. Someone is talking you also. Someone wants to come and talk to you. For those who's unmarried, some of you, your wish is that you want this 10 of cups, in the sense of you want to get married, you want to have children, you want to have babies, pet, a whole like a family life you want to live. You want to be with someone you love, and you want to grow old with them, and grow your kids with them, something like that. I am seeing 2-3 ladies around you. If you are a girl watching this, even if you are a male watching this, I can see 2-3 ladies around you. One can be your friend, one can be your mom or elder sister, or someone who is very stable in terms of her money, and some another lady is like, she don't take anyone's bullshit. 2 to 3 ladies I am seeing in front, near you. Whether you are a male or female doesn't matter, but 2 to 3 ladies are near you, or might be touching you or influencing you or affecting you in some sense. You want basically a forward movement. You want to travel somewhere. You want to shift off your location for some of you. And for some of you, if you are single, you want to get married. You want to come into a committed relationship, Tired of being alone? Some sort of message or news you will receive from your opposite sex. or from your partner or from your ex or from the person who's most on your mind. I feel like that. 10 number might be significant to you, or 10th month, or 10th date. 10 weeks also, 10 months also. I think those who's watching, probably there are chances you'll get married or engaged, or at least come into a committed relationship within 10 months from now on, from starting from now on onwards to 10 months, round about 10 months. I am feeling for some of you it can be 2 months, 2, 3 or 4 months, or for some of you 8 to 10 months. Okay, there are chances you can come into a committed relationship, or for some of you can get married or get engaged, or at least not married, then come into a committed relationship within 2 months to 10 months. Okay, take according to your situation, because different people have different scenarios. For some of you, you can come into a committed relationship within 2 months. For some of you, you can come into a committed relationship within 3 to 4 months, and for some of you 8 to 10 months. Okay, you wanted to move somewhere. I've heard that travel somewhere abroad, want to go out of country. I've heard that. I don't know, something regarding this might be significant to one of you, one or two of you. Let's see what else. Cancer sign. I'm saying now somebody is going to come and give you some news, or want to talk to you, want to fight with you. That person can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Definitely. I think currently you are introspecting a lot. Currently your movements are slow, quite slow. You don't like to talk with people, you don't like to socialize. It's okay. I would suggest you to be away for some time from social media. Okay, from people. You don't need to socialize all the time. You don't need to talk to each and every one of your friends or colleagues all the time. Okay, let's see. Waiting for more money. For some of you, those who's watching this, I feel like you have money. I don't see any money trouble with you, but you are still waiting for more money. I feel like that. Aries sign strongly I am seeing. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces I am seeing. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also I am seeing. You are trying to balance, and even if you are not dealing with such signs, I feel like you are trying to balance and stabilize your life, whether it is through career, money situation, or whether it is through come into a committed relationship. You want stability basically in your life, and there are chances you'll see the stability in terms of money, career situation, and in terms of love situation, because of this 7 of Pentacles and Ace of Cups card. I am saying that for some of you, new love, new romance is coming after a 1 month, or in this February month, or round about 1 month. Okay, depends on your situation. From now onwards to 1 month, or in the February month, or after a 1 month, or after February month, it means March. Okay, so yeah, new romance, new love is coming. And I can also, so those who's in a relationship, your partner loves you so much, but they don't express their love. Same goes for you also. You love your partner so much, but you are not able to express them properly. And if you are single, then I feel like new love and new romance is coming up for you, maybe from Aries sign, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And for some of you, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and from Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yes. So how will be your February month? I feel like a lot of choices you'll have. Lot of choices in love, lot of choices in money situation, lot of choices in career situation. And if you wanted to get married, there are chances you'll get married within 1 year, 10 months to 1 year. If you wanted to change your career, there are chances you'll change it within 1 year, around about 1 year. If you wanted to have a stable money income, there are chances you'll get it within 1 year, around about 1 year. Okay, or probably for some of you, most of you, before 1 year you'll get it. Okay, stability will come. in your sense, in what is the meaning of your stability in your life depends on the person to person. For some of you, stability is like, you know, getting married, have children. For some of you, have a happy family life, a happy family stable life is stability. For some of you, having a balanced income and career situation is perfect, that calls as stability. So depends, whatever stability you want in your life, it is coming for you. If you are feeling like I want stability in career and love situation both, because nothing is stable in my life, then both is coming. Okay, new beginnings, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. Wow. Two areas I am seeing new beginnings. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. You might want to see check Leo's sign reading as well, because I feel like you might have sun sign or moon sign, rising sign, ascendant sign, Venus sign in Leo. You might have a Leo strongly in your birth chart. If you have, then you know you should check that reading as well, because there also we have received 3 aces, and there were in that reading also there was a lot of new beginnings coming up. So you might be dealing with a Leo sign, or you might have a strong Leo in your birth chart. If it is so, then you should check that reading. Okay. See, something is going, those who's waiting for something, I think you'll get the communication and you'll get the news. If you have been very patient, and if you have been waiting for some parcel or communication from somewhere else, it is coming in February month. You should work on your throat chakra. In this zodiac reading also I am feeling, I don't know why, but you should work on your throat chakra. Okay, try to express yourself. In the terms of your throat chakra is disturbed because you are not able to express yourself, express your love. Try to do writing. Okay, write down your problems on a paper or in a diary. Okay, it will help you, you know, heal, and it will help you to soothe out your thoughts. Okay, or whatever is comfortable to you. Listen to music, go in nature, go in a park, beach, whatever is comfortable to you, you can do that. Just, you know, stop worrying so much and just try to express yourself by writing, by doing writing poetry, by writing anything you want, or else by doing some artwork, drawing, painting, whatever you feel like, you know. Some sort of communication is going to come in the month of February, definitely. I think in the first week only you'll receive some sort of news from the person who is in love with you. I feel like that. Let's see the charms for you, Cancer sign. I feel like I called to take this owl. I don't know why. Just a second. Something hidden will come out in the light. Okay, for some of you. For example, somebody is in love with you, your friend or someone from your past, and they have you are not aware about it, and they'll come and say, you know, in the February month that they love you. Yeah, yes, something will come into a light. See, initials for you, AM. This can be someone's name, middle name, surname, place name, company name. Not necessarily every initial will touch every time to everybody. Okay, yeah, so your heart matter is something regarding your love life, emotional matter, heart matter. Okay, it is going to be fulfilled, don't worry. From 1 month to 10 months, depends on your situation, depends on the person to person. But if I'll have to give time, so I will give time from starting from February to upcoming 10 months. You'll see some result. Someone's birthday or celebration can come. See, you need stability, like I've said, Ace of Pentacles card. You need some sort of stability, but you feel like, you know, there is no forward movement, there is no progression, you are stuck somewhere. So you'll see the movement. Okay, movement you will see in the February month, starting from February. Not exactly everything will resolve, you know, just like that in one night. It will not possible. One step by step, one by one, you know, your situation will improve. I feel like that. Sorry. And I also feel like, you will see some hope, ray of hope in emotional matters, starting from February, up to 10 months. You will see 3 number might be significant to you, and I also feel 10 number also significant to you. So something has ended in your life and something new is going to start for some of you. I feel like that. And I'll pull out one charm for you. Just a second. One charm wanted to pop out, but I think it is not coming out. So that was a owl charm and it is not coming out. So this is a sign. I feel like, some animal spirits or animals are trying to tell you something, trying to give you some signs. Animal charm also we have received, and owl charm also was popping out. So something is hidden and animals are trying to give you some signs, or angels, God, universe are giving you some signs and symbols through animals. You might be seeing animals on the, through your while you are going for your work or going somewhere, and you might be watching some sort of animals, birds, or owl also can be your spirit animal. So you just look out for the signs, what they are trying to say, what messages angels wants to tell you. Just something surprise or hidden will come into the light. I feel like that in the month of February for you people, Cancer signs. Okay, let's see the charms, messages for you. Oh, a lot of messages are coming. Mirroring. So for 1 or 2%, I am feeling you guys can be on twin flame journey, because the Chariot card is also twin flame card for me. And 2 of Cups also we have received, and mirroring message also we have received. So 1 or 2%, I am feeling like you can be on twin flame journey, or you are on the starting of a twin flame journey. If you are on the starting of your twin flame journey, if you are not aware where on the which stage you are, you can take a personal reading with me, or you can just ask any other tarot reader on which journey you are. And if you are aware, then I am telling you, you are on the starting of the it means you are on the starting stage of your twin flame journey, and you'll need to be very much patient. You have to be very much patient. You have been patient, but still patience is required while you are in twin flame journey, especially in your starting point. So some of you are mirroring your partner, and your partner is mirroring you. 2 of Cups also we have received. I love the way you speak. Talkative. So you might be talkative, you speak more than your person. So your person is saying that I love the way you speak. Okay, I love the charm, sparkle in your eyes. Your person is saying that. Okay, whoever is in your mind, another message for you. I love you. So your person was not able to express yourself, him or herself to you. That is why we have received Ace of Cups, and that person will come and talk to you and meet you and share his love, cup of love. And I feel like there are chances in February month you'll see that somebody is proposing you, or somebody is telling you that they love you, and you'll be quite surprised. Oh really? You'll be quite surprised. So your person might see you as a pumpkin, chubby, cutie vibe. I am feeling. You are my Shona. So your person thinks you are very cute, sweet type of a innocent type of a person, very sugar, sweet type of a person. There is a song for you, Love by Raghav. Is this what they call love? So you might want to listen to this song. Some of the lyrics might resonate with you. If you have a person on your mind who is not expressing himself, I am so sorry. Your person is saying sorry. He might have hurted you in the past, didn't express his feelings, some sort of those lines. I will come to meet you. So your person, I am telling you, if your person is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, they are coming to meet you in February month, or they'll propose you, or they'll give you some sort of friendship offer. Starting, they want to start with friendship offer, but actually they have a lot of love for you. For most of you, I am seeing somebody is coming, either new or old person. But Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is coming, and they'll express themselves to you, and you'll be shocked that they will want to meet you, and you'll be shocked that they love you. Either this can be your past friend or past person or new person, anyone. Okay, depends on your situation. Lame excuses. So the person who's most on your mind must have given you some lame excuses in the past. I feel like that. So that person can come to you in February month and express his love, because you are his life or you are her life. So that person is saying you are my life. Okay, let's see the next message. This person wants to say a lot of things to you. I'm telling you, this person either is not expressive. This person can strongly be Aries sign, Leo sign, Scorpio sign. Just a second. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius sign, strong Aries sign, Leo sign, Sagittarius, Scorpio also I am feeling, Cancer, Pisces also I am feeling another Cancer, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This person, this signs can be in his birth chart somewhere. This person definitely has not expressed his love for you. This can be your ex-person, or currently you are in a relationship also with this person. He is not able to express himself or herself. See, now that person is crying and shouting that why I didn't express, something like that, or you might be crying for that person. Or you people will face some sort of fights also. You'll fight with each other whenever you'll meet or you'll contact or communicate. I feel like that. And if you are in communication contact, you guys are having arguments, but that argument is out of love, because they love you, you love them equally, mutually. So you'll both fight with each other because you love each other so much. That is why you guys fight. You are the reason of abundance in my life. So you might have been lucky person, a lucky charm type of a person in your person's life. Now they are realizing, I'm yours, you are mine. So your person, don't express himself or herself, also don't want you to go with somebody else. So quite possessive, a jealous type of a person. You are mine only, and I am yours. So your person is saying that, not saying because he's not expressing, he is feeling that you should not go and date someone else. You are his only or hers only. And they are not expressive, and they are not giving you time and commitment. Wow. Thank you for always being there. Your person knows that you have always been there, but they don't want to express themselves. They don't want to give you time. They don't want to express enough to you, and they don't want you to date someone else also. So this is quite of a jealous and possessive vibe I am getting. Wow. When I Was Your Man by Bruno Mars. So this song you might want to listen to. When I Was Your Man by Bruno Mars. This can be your ex also for some of you, or your past person whom you have loved. Will you please listen to me? So I am telling you, this person will contact you, and they know that you will not talk to them, or you'll fight with them, or you'll disconnect the call. So they are saying that, will you please listen to me when I try to come to meet you, or when I try to contact you. Just don't disconnect my call, at least try to listen to me, because they think you'll be like disconnecting their call, or you'll be like disconnecting, not talking to them. So yeah, sorry for the background noise. There is a construction going on in next door. So hope you liked my reading, my charms, messages and tarot reading style. I hope you have a wonderful February and Valentine's Day and week. Please like, share, subscribe. Remember, this is a general reading. It will not resonate or match with each and every one of you. Okay, and hope to see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye bye.